You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to read WhatsApp messages without triggering the blue double check read receipts. First, disable read receipts entirely. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, then privacy, and turn off read receipts. This means you won't see read receipts from others either if you want to keep them on but read specific messages stealthily. Use the notification preview method. When a message arrives, pull down your notification shade. Expand the notification to read the full message content without opening WhatsApp. On some phones, you can enable pop-up notifications in WhatsApp's notification settings to read messages in a small floating window. For a more controlled method, enable airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode, then open WhatsApp. Your messages will load from the cache, allowing you to read them while offline. Since there's no internet connection, WhatsApp cannot send the read receipt. Close WhatsApp completely before turning airplane mode off. The message will remain unread on the sender's side. Remember, these methods work for individual chats. Group chat read receipts are not sent regardless. Use these techniques responsibly to maintain your privacy. For more simple WhatsApp privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.